Hi everyone, my name is Sanket. In the last video, we understand about running those scorers. So what we did is we created three different types of a scorer, metadata, tied it with an agent, and then we deployed it to the org. Basically, there were three different metadata. One was prompt template, and then we have agent, and then we created a scorer metadata. So all of them be deployed in the org for lead insight agent, and you can see those scorers are active and sample rate is 100%. So these three scorer we did deployed as part of previous videos in this series. So in this video, what we are going to understand is once you have deployed activated this scorer, so whenever you do talk with your agent, it will create an audit and feedback is enabled, so those session will come under session and intent. So if you can click here, and then in this particular session you can deep dive into many other things, like what was the session flow, the transcript, some other information, but at the same time you can see the scorer customer scorer information over here. So I had created three. Only two got here because when I run this scorer, one of the scorer got no outcome set. So if that would have run successfully, it would have appeared here. How you can see that on the dashboard level? So by default, like it shows how many 10 columns, but you can each a scorer will appear as a column here if your session trace has that data. So for example, if I search for a scorer here, you can see those customer scorer here. I can add it into the column, and let me take these two, reasoning and intent tag, out of this and click on save. So I can see those scorer over here. You can see, right, I got those value for each of these session. So this helps, these scorers helps you to tag your sessions, take a proactive step, right? Once session is done, so scorer will automatically run, and you can take the measurable steps from there, that where you need to look into what was your outcome. So things like this you can do. In the next one sorry one in one of the important thing over here is if you have activated your scorer and the sessions are there, but these scorers data is not available, then for the first time I would suggest you to do is run the scorer manually. So how to run those scorers manually, I will talk about that in the next video. Thank you for watching.